In this video, let's talk about how to use YouTube Music on multiple devices. Welcome back to this new guide video on how to connect. Using the YouTube Music platform on multiple devices is a straightforward process. For example, if you're trying to use YouTube Music on your phone, you just need to download the app of YouTube Music. And then if you already have your Google account signed in, you don't need to again sign in. As soon as you open up the app of YouTube Music, you will be straight away logged in. But the only thing that you need to know is that whether you have a free plan or an individual plan, you won't be able to play different songs simultaneously. For example, if you already have a song playing on your desktop and you want to play a different song on your mobile phone, you won't be able to do that. Unless you have this family plan of YouTube Music, you won't be able to play different songs on different devices. But in terms of logging into different devices, you can easily do that. As I said, if you have your Google account logged in, you'll be immediately logged in or signed in to your account of YouTube Music. I do hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.